Welcome back to Spy Garage.
A major step toward the fusion of upscale mobile living with the well-known dependability and value offered connected to the Hyundai brand is the anticipated 2026 Hyundai Motorhome Super Suite. This proposed vehicle emphasizes a super suite level of comfort and amenities, all incorporated within a well-thought-out and cutting-edge platform, with the goal of completely redefining the motorhome experience. The 2026 Hyundai Motorhome Super Suite's exterior is expected to feature an aerodynamic and contemporary style, departing from the frequently functional designs that are common in the motorhome market. One could expect flowing lines, integrated lighting, and an emphasis on optimizing natural light through large panoramic windows. Incorporating modest design inspirations from Hyundai's current car portfolio, the overall form would aim for a harmonic balance between aerodynamic efficiency and aesthetic appeal. The interior is the central component of the Super Suite concept, where constructing an opulent and practical living space would be given first priority. Anticipate superior materials, including fine upholstery, well-chosen finishes, and creative space-saving solutions. Distinct zones would probably be included in the layout, such as a luxurious living space for entertaining and unwinding, a contemporary kitchenette with built-in equipment, a cozy and private sleeping area, and a chic bathroom. The term Super Suite suggests a higher degree of roominess and upscale amenities, possibly such as a separate entertainment area, improved climate control, and better soundproofing. One of the main features of the 2026 Hyundai Motorhome Super Suite would be technological integration. This might include an easy-to-use infotainment system that seamlessly connects to smartphones, cutting-edge driver assistance capabilities that improve convenience and safety, and smart home elements that make it simple to operate onboard systems like entertainment, lighting, and temperature. The focus would be on developing an environment that is both technologically advanced and easy to use, thereby improving the whole experience of living and traveling. In terms of performance, the Hyundai Motorhome Super Suite would probably put an emphasis on a comfortable and seamless ride, supported by a strong and effective drivetrain. A dependable engine with plenty of torque would be crucial for comfortable cruising and hill climbing, even though overall performance would not be the main priority. Both the driver and passengers could have a more luxurious driving experience with the use of sophisticated suspension technologies. The market positioning of the 2026 Hyundai Motorhome Super Suite would likely target individuals seeking a blend of premium comfort, advanced technology, and the established value and reliability associated with the Hyundai brand. It would try to offer a compelling option within the luxury motorhome category, potentially appealing to individuals who appreciate sophisticated design and full amenities without necessarily selecting for the most ultra-exclusive offers. The 2026 Hyundai Motorhome Super Suite essentially aims to provide a mobile living area where high-end comfort, innovative technology, and careful design come together to produce an absolutely remarkable journey.